Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you use your port forwarding on Spectrum Wi-Fi 7, open ports for games and NAT type. Step 1. Connect your gaming device to the Wi-Fi 7 router. Turn on your gaming console. That can be your PS5, Xbox, Nintendo Switch or your gaming PC. Open the device network settings panel and connect it to your active Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 network. Also note that the device must be actively linked and online before the router's configuration software can recognize its MAC address. Step 2. Launch the MySpectrum app. Open the official MySpectrum app on your iOS or Android smartphone. Sign in using your primary Spectrum account username and password. Tap the Services or Internet tab located on the primary bottom navigation dashboard. Step 3. Access advanced Wi-Fi settings. Tap on your listed Wi-Fi 7 router hardware element under the active equipment block. Scroll down past basic diagnostic fields and tap on advanced settings. Select the option labeled as port forwarding and IP reservations. Step 4. Create a dedicated DHCP IP reservation. Scroll through the local client directory table and select your specific console or gaming PC. Toggle the option switch labeled as Reserve IP address on. This locks the device's current internal IP address permanently, preventing future port routing breaks. Step 5. Add a new port assignment block. Tap the newly highlighted button labeled as Add Port Assignment or Manage Port Assignment. Type a clear identification tag into the assignment name field. Example, code OpenNAT Minecraft server. Select your target transmission type protocol option, TCP, UDP or TCP plus UDP both. Step 6. Input the targeted game port numbers. Enter the identical targeted number sequence into both external port and internal port fields. Common gaming target sequences are Call of Duty, which is your PS5 or Xbox or PC, which is under port 3074, UDP or TCP. For PlayStation Network PS5, ports are 3478 and 3479 for both UDP and TCP. Xbox Live Network are ports 88 for UDP and 3074 for UDP or TCP and 500 for UDP. Minecraft server port 25565 for TCP. Tap the checkmark or save button to confirm and push the network script update to the cloud. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.